YouTube, what's going on? Todd back here again with my little cutter, which means what we're going to do right now is an unboxing. And I'm very excited about this one because this is a belt I've been looking for, like I said, for a long time. It's finally here. I got it from my boy Miguel up in Cali. Big shout out to him. Check out his YouTube. He's known as Mike's Belts here on YouTube. So check him out. So without any further ado, let's get to this thing. Oh boy, here it goes. Alright, here we go. Alright, goes. Folks, here it is. It's opened up. And I'm about to pull this bad boy out. Hang on a minute, folks. Put the camera down real quick. Alright, here we go. Bubbling wrap looks good. I promised my friend I would keep the darn thing. So I'm going to do exactly that because it is usable again. Alright, so. Los Angeles Times paper. All right. Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Unzip it. There's the. It's on its standard figures ink strap. Oh hell yeah. And here it is. Oh hell. The Winged Eagle WWF Championship. Oh hell. Like I said, I've been looking for this belt for a long time. And this belt's practically brand new because it has got this foam thing that they use to ship it in. Again, Miguel, thank you very much. Like I said, standard figures ink strap. But this is without question one of the prides of my collection right here. So, take a quick look around this thing. Do a close-up shot here. Alright. Standard figures ink strap. The strap is in good shape. This thing is a, I think it was made in 2012. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. Alright, so again, turn this thing over very quick one more time. And say the very least, this thing has a lot of screws. Yep. There you have it, guys. This is the Winged Eagle WWF Championship. 2012 WWE. So this thing is practically brand new. Alright, so there you got it, guys. Alright, so I just wanted to do this quick unboxing for you guys. This is, like I said, the newest addition to my collection, and definitely one of the prides of my collection. Alright, so speechless. Alright, guys, so does it for me for now. I got another belt coming away from eBay that I received a second chance offer for. I snagged that one as well, so as soon as I get it, I'll put a video together on it, and you all will see what that belt is probably within the next week or so. Alright, so that does it for me. Questions, comments, again, feel free to shoot them my way. Have a good one. Catch you all later.